Students, today you have to write how you have to write the electronic configuration of ions. Yesterday I explained how to write electronic configuration of atoms and explained the electronic configuration of the atoms from 1 to 30. Now today we have to write the electronic configuration of the ions, especially cations for the transition metal. They are very important. For instance, you have to write the electronic configuration of scandium ion. This is a scandium atomic number 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 2 to 4, 6, 10 to 12, 6, 18, this one is 20. This is scandium atom. This is electronic configuration of the scandium atom. And you have to write the scandium ion, for example, S. Then you have to rearrange it. Otherwise, most of the students give the wrong electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6, then you can write 3d1, then 4s2. Suppose you have to write the electronic configuration of scandium plus 2. It means you have to remove the 2 electrons. Since this is the outermost subcell and electron has to be removed from this one, electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d1. It is the electronic configuration of scandium ion. Most of the students, by do the mistake, they remove the electron, one electron from this one and one electron from this one. That is very wrong. That is why, simple thing, you can rearrange the electronic configuration this one to this one, and remove the electron from the valence cell, or you can say from the outermost cell, whatever outermost cell, subcell. This one is electronic configuration of the scandium ion. Next example is, now we take next example, electronic configuration of, this is copper. Copper atomic number 29. You know it is a case of exception. You must know. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s, then 3d. 10, there is 1. It is a case of exception. This is 20, there are 29 electrons. You can rearrange 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. If you have to write the electronic configuration Cu plus 1, it is called cuprous ion. You have to remove the 1 electron, that is, you can remove the electron from this one, 4s1, electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. 4s, there is no 4s orbital. If you have write the electronic configuration of this one, this is called cupric ion, 2 plus. Cupric ion. 2 electron has to be removed. 1 electron is to be removed from this one orbital and 1 is to be from this one orbital. Electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 3d9. 3d9. Now electrons are to fill here. You can fill the electron in the orbital 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This there is a one. It is unpaired electron. It has only one electron. This orbital contains only one electron. Paired electron, paired electron, paired electron, paired electron. But this orbital contains only one electron. I am going to say it has one unpaired electron. It has one unpaired electron. Since cupric ion has one unpaired electron, that is why it is paramagnetic in nature, and it is colorful. It is of the blue color. If the d orbital contains unpaired electron, then it will be paramagnetic and color. If all the orbitals are completely filled, it will be diamagnetic. That cannot be magnetized, and it will be of colorless. But if the d orbital has unpaired electron, its nature will be paramagnetic and it has color. Next example is we have to write the electronic configuration of sodium ion. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Sodium atom lose one electron to form the sodium cation. It has lost one electron. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It is electronic configuration of sodium cation. Next example is chloride ion. First of all, you must know the atomic number of chlorine atom: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Now, chloride ion. This is anion. Anion is obtained, anion is formed when the electron is gained. Chlorine atom gains one electron to form the chloride ion. Now it has 18 electrons. Electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. Now it has 18 electrons. It has gained the electronic configuration of the argon, which is an inert gas. This is electronic configuration of the chloride ion. Now I am going to give you some questions in which you have to write the electronic configuration. These are examples you have. These are homework for you. You have to write the electronic configuration of calcium ion, zinc ion, cobalt ion, titanium ion, ferrous ion and ferric ion. Fe+2 and Fe+3. This is ferrous ion, this is ferric ion. You have to write the electronic configuration of these 5 ions I have given you in a homework, and you have to write the electronic configuration this one and send the electronic configuration in the class group.